Built for capacity, speed, and efficiency, this double-deck train represents the evolution of modern high-speed rail engineering.
Thousands of parts are manufactured and assembled to build a modern high-speed train. This is where the double-deck high-speed train is assembled and prepared for operation. Conveyor systems feed raw aluminum profiles into precision cutting machines to begin structural preparation. Robotic handling systems organize cut aluminum sections to maintain continuous and stable material flow.
Compressed air systems clean-cut surfaces to prepare components for accurate alignment and joining. Verified aluminum components are transferred for forming and structural integration in the next production stage.
Heavy extrusion and CNC bending systems shape aluminum into precise structural components.
Precision milling brings each structural component to its final exact dimension.
These aluminum structures are now ready for the next stage of train body assembly. Structural welding begins as double-deck aluminum panels are secured for friction stir integration.
Friction stir welding permanently bonds the lower deck structure to the sidewall frame. Ultrasonic inspection verifies the internal integrity of the double-deck structural welds.
The double-deck car body structure is now ready for full body assembly. Structural assembly begins as floor sections are positioned within precision jigs for full vertical integration.
Laser scanning systems verify the dimensional accuracy of the double-deck structure before final mechanical fastening.
The primary structural shell is now complete and ready for aerodynamic nose integration. Vacuum compression bonding ensures structural integrity and aerodynamic precision for high-speed operation. The completed nose module is now ready for integration with the primary power car structure.
High-pressure hydraulic systems secure steel wheels onto precision-machined axles for maximum high-speed stability. Precision torque systems ensure every structural fastener meets the strict specifications required for heavy rail loads.
Every bogie undergoes rigorous static load testing to confirm structural performance and suspension response.
These mechanical units are now verified and ready for mechanical marriage with the primary train body. The car body is now joined to the articulated Bogey system. Massive bolts lock the train body securely to the Bogey frame.
The double-deck train is now fully mounted and ready for systems installation.
High-density electrical routing creates a complex power and data grid within the train body. Rigorous electrical testing ensures all internal wiring meets strict safety and signal integrity standards.
Automated verification systems confirm the precise placement of thousands of individual electrical components.
The internal electrical grid is now verified and ready for the integration of roof systems. Precision overhead cranes and vacuum lifters integrate heavy power systems onto the double-deck roof structure. Stringent pressure tests ensure all roof-mounted utility seals remain watertight for long-term operation.
The utility systems are now secured and ready for final surface treatment and industrial coating.
Five-ohm, low-pressure systems ensure a uniform paint distribution across the complex double-deck geometry.
Advanced air filtration maintains a sterile environment for the application of the final protective clear coat. The industrial coating process is complete and ready for final factory validation and system checks. Static system validation begins as diagnostic computers verify the integrity of the high-voltage electrical circuits. Precision laser scanning confirms the final geometric alignment of the complete train set within strict engineering tolerances. Factory validation is complete, and the train is now ready for high-speed testing.
After months of engineering and assembly, the double-deck high-speed train leaves the factory as a fully integrated machine. From raw materials to a 300 km/h machine, this is how modern double-deck high-speed trains are built. NextGen Machine Works, building the impossible. Subscribe to join the future.